Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to use everyday items that you may have around your home to create a toddler activity. This one would be age appropriate for, I would say, 1 to 2.5 years old, maybe even 3 years old. So what do I have here? I have an empty bottle of French Vanilla Delight Creamer, but you can use whatever empty bottle that you have that has a medium to small size top. And then what we also have is we have some popsicle sticks here. So what I'm going to do is remove the labeling off the container, and I'll come right back. So I removed the label off the container. So all your toddler is going to do is going to open the top. As you can see, the hole is medium sized, and they're going to put the popsicle sticks through the container top. Now there are several activities that you can do with just these two items. The first thing is you can just simply put the sticks into the mouth, and that will focus on hand-eye coordination to include fine motor skills. Another activity that you can do with those same skills is to also focus on colors. So as you can see, my popsicle sticks are of various color. So as I put, or better yet, as the child puts the popsicle stick through the top, you will have them, or you can say the color: orange, red, and so forth. The next activity that we can do is to focus on number counting. So same concept. Now we would just number count. 1, 2, and you can go through as many numbers as you wish. So again, all we did was use an empty container and some popsicle sticks to create 3 different activities. Again, the first activity is just to focus on putting the sticks in the container top, and that's hand-eye coordination only. The next one is to focus on hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills, also colors: blue, red, yellow, green. And the final activity again is to focus on number counting: 1, 2, 3, 4. And also what you can do for colors, you can lay out all the popsicle sticks and you can have the child find the color and put it within the top. So let's say, for example, you would say, can you find the green popsicle stick? And put the green popsicle stick in the container. They will take the green popsicle stick and put it in the container. Can you find the orange popsicle stick? Orange popsicle stick in the container. So basically that's 4 different activities with just an empty container and some popsicle sticks. Hopefully this was of help. Hopefully you will use this or find it useful for you and your little one, and make it a great day. And as always, I will see you in another video. Deuces.